There's a train coming. It's coming. It is coming. No, my train whistles are at home. I record a video for that train going by. Push in.
That's not a train.
It is a train, Cole. Cole, what are you doing?
That's a little whippy train.
No, it's not a whippy train. It's a Norfolk Southern.
That's a giant metal snake.
I'm recording a video where the train's going by.
It's hard not to push because all the buttons are Why are you video recording that giant metal snake?
It's not a metal snake, it's a train. Why do you want to ask me that question?
Hey, do you want to take that train on the climbing door?
No, trains don't ride on cruise ships.
Are you sure?
They live on tracks, not on cruise ships.
Oh. My bad.
Wants to take the train to the Carnival Glory, right? You want to take the train to the Carnival Glory?
No.
I would like to take the train to the Carnival Glory.
Do trains fly?
I don't know, Cole. I'm trying to film where the train is going by.
He's busy.
I'm busy filming where the train's going by right now. I can't talk right now.
Somebody painted on there. Those are actually cute. Some of the stuff.
Probably won't like that one either, but.
This is a long train. This is a long train, you guys. I'm recording the video where the train is going by. What?
Recording your dad's truck right there?
No,
I think you're looking at the truck.
I'm recording for that train right now. Wow. Two locomotives already. There's the end. Two engines.
That is a wonderful video of your dad's truck right there.
Alright, let me wait for a minute. Let this crossing gate's going up.